Thukuru uyu wa St Denis Libolina kaunti-ini ya Bungoma ni umwe gatagati ka mathukuru maria makoretwo magithomithia arutwo urimi wa kimerera.
Alafu unaona hii miti
mugunda-ini uyu makihanda mimera ta mboga cia mithemba itiganite, mboco na matunda. Kuhitukira gikundi gitari gia githirikari tafarira ta ici koretwo igitwarithio na mbere kaunti-ini 17. Karen Nekesa ure niwe murugamiriri wa tafarira ino akiuga makoretwo magitugeria urimi mathukuru-ini niguo arutwo matige kuona tari ihera.
Projects are actually done on school grounds. So what we do is to actually transform degraded school lands into productive land. And therefore we are actually contributing to the school feeding programs. And you know our country also has such programs.
It is something that we should emulate as schools so that most of the funding which goes towards food can do other development projects like infrastructure.
Arutwo agatagati ka ukuru wa miaka 7 na miaka 12 nio makoretwo magikuruhanio tafarira-ini ino na oho aciari magikuruhanio niguo gutigirira arutwo matinarutithio wira mugaru na watho.
We also involve the parents so that they also don't look at it like child labor. They look at it as a very, very good project for the children. Not only just good, but a project that will give their children food.
They can start small animal keeping to keep them busy, to provide for them something for a living, and even to provide food for them.
Ihinda-ini riu aciari na anyititemi angi mathukuru-ini mari na kanya ga kunyitanira na arutwo mathomo-ini maya niguo riria macoka micii-ini makahota gukuria irio cia kuhunia family ciao.
We use the schools to ensure that it is a learning center for the community. It is very easy for you to get to a school and learn from a school rather than getting to an individual farm, owner of a farm, to learn.
For example, each farmer, each TOT can get 15 farmers whom she or he will be linked to.
Gikundi kia Biogarden gikoretwo gikirutithania wira na aciari aya kumathomithia nao magathomithia matura-ini. Omwe wa maundu maria gikundi giki gikirire ari kuhuthira thumu wa kimerera.
We use like making of bokashi, making of biostimulant fertilizers, making of bioinsecticides which we use instead of chemicals.
I normally make my biofertilizers there, but I have a group of people who normally come. Yeah. Most of them are parents to my children or parents to my pupils.
Feristas Omuronji ni mwarimu na murimi. Na oho akoretwo akirugamirira gikundi kia arutwo matanyihire 60 kumathomithia urimi uyu. Aratariria riria thukuru ihingitwo arutwo mari na mweke mwega wa gutwarithia na mbere urimi uyu micii-ini yao kana mugunda-ini wake uria ahandite mimera ya mithemba itiganite.
We have local schools that are within, those who attended the field day are now coming in to copy the same so that they can replicate in their own schools.
Aratariria ati wingi wa magetha migunda-ini ni faida amu aciari ni marahota kuhunia arutwo micii-ini na kwendia magetha maria matigara niguo makahota kwirugamirira kimbeca. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.